Hi everyone, I'm Arun Malve and welcome back to Good Shoes. Are you tired of your photos zooming in and out when you're editing in the iMovie? This effect called the Ken Burns effect can be a bit annoying. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far and learning something new, take a quick moment to like, share and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. How to stop photos from zooming in iMovie. This is a quick and easy tutorial. By default, iMovie applies the Ken Burn effect. Let's add a photo to the timeline. The effect creates a zoom in and zoom out motion, which can be useful for dynamic storytelling, but it's not always what you want. Let's go through the steps to disable it. First, select the photo you want to stop zooming. Next, go to the cropping menu. You will see three options: fit, crop to fill, and Ken Burn. To stop the zooming, simply click fit. This ensures the entire photo fits into the frame without any zooming or motion. And there you go, the photo is now static with no zooming or motion. If you notice black bars on the sides of the photo, or if it doesn't fit in the screen the way you like, you can use the crop to fit to adjust the image. This will let you zoom in manually but without any motion effect. Crop to fill allows you to choose which part of the image is visible without any zoom effect. It's a great alternative if you need the image to fill the screen without moving. To save time, you can select multiple photos at once by holding down the Shift key while clicking on each photo. Then go the cropping menu and select Fit for all of them. This will stop the zooming effect on every selected photo. And that's it. Now you know how to stop photos from zooming in iMovie. It's a simple fix. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Good Shoes. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.